Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have cheats or command access. Now start. First, choose the attribute you want to modify, for example, generic. Max health or generic. Attack damage. Next, give yourself the item using /give or the item command, embedding attribute modifiers with UUID, name, amount, and operation. Use operation 0 for flat, 1 for % addition, 2 for multiplication. Once done, test in a safe area. Make sure to use unique UUIDs if stacking multiple modifiers, so they don't overwrite one another. Now you build the NBT. Create attribute modifiers as a JSON array. Include UUID, name, amount, operation, and slot. Use UUID as 4-integer array or dash string. Both work. Name is human readable. Amount uses digits. For % use values like 0. 5 for 50% with operation 1. Assign slot carefully. Main hand versus offhand changes effect. Once assembled, paste into /give or data modify commands. Then equip the item and observe attribute changes in the debug screen to finish by equipping the item and verifying the attribute change. Use /attribute for entities or check health/attack values directly. If nothing happens, inspect the NBT. A missing slot or wrong operation is common. Also confirm UUID uniqueness, duplicates override modifiers. If syntax errors occur, use dataget to display the item's NBT and fix commas or braces. Finally, when corrected, reapply with /give or data modify, and test again to ensure the attribute behaves as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.